great Nissan day. Today, we will explore the basics of the Kicks engine bay. To open the hood, locate the hood lock under the instrument panel on the driver's side. Pull it, and the hood will pop open. Locate the lever in between the hood and grille. Push the lever sideways with your fingertips. Raise the hood. Detach the support rod and insert it into the appropriate slot. This is the engine bay. We will guide you on how to identify its basic parts and their locations. The Kicks has two coolant reservoirs. This one is for the inverter. This is the brake fluid reservoir. You can use .3 or .4 brake fluid. This is the location of the air filter. To remove the filter, unlatch the retaining clips and pull off the cover. For the engine oil, it is recommended to use genuine Nissan motor oil. Here is where the dipstick is located. Pull the dipstick out completely. For an accurate oil level measurement, use a clean cloth to wipe the level indicator and then reinsert the dipstick back in. Pull it out again. Then check the level. It should be between the high and low. Here is the wiper washer fluid reservoir. If it's low, add window washer fluid. And finally, this is the second coolant reservoir, which is for the engine.